Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the game-changing world of DFMA, Design for Manufacture and Assembly. This methodology is all about transforming product design by focusing on simplicity, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. Let's break it down. DFMA tackles manufacturing and assembly challenges right from the design stage. It's both a philosophy and a methodology, ensuring products are designed with production constraints in mind. The goal? Simplify processes, minimize costs, and improve product reliability. There are four core principles driving DFMA. 1. Reduce parts to lower costs and minimize errors. 1. Use standard parts and modular components for faster production. 1. Foster multidisciplinary collaboration for seamless product lifecycle optimization. 1. Identify issues early to cut revisions and expenses. DFMA is super adaptable and finds uses in various industries. Modular building techniques reduce waste and boost safety. CAD systems predict and solve manufacturing challenges. Especially in automotive, DFMA balances reliability, safety, and cost. Now, why should you care? Adopting DFMA offers clear benefits. Addressing manufacturing challenges during design. Streamlined development cycles get products out quicker. Simplified designs and efficient processes mean major cost reductions. But implementing DFMA isn't a walk in the park. You need comprehensive guidelines, strong multidisciplinary teams, and advanced virtual tools. Looking ahead, integrating DFMA with robotics, BIM, and other emerging tech will unlock even greater potential. So remember, DFMA is more than a methodology. It's a strategic approach bridging design, manufacturing, and assembly. By embracing simplicity and efficiency, industries can achieve cost reductions, improved quality, and faster production timelines. Design smarter, build better, and lead the future with DFMA. Thanks for watching.